Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy Elrod and Ting. Don't forget to subscribe, select all notifications. If you don't, you won't get the post notifications as soon as the video are posted. Follow me on all social media platforms at Elrod Productions and visit my website for a bunch of goodies that I have there. Now for this demonstration video, we'll be looking at Purple Audio FET compressor. As you can see, it does look like a level 76, in which it is a FET compressor. I think another one here that I have is, well, seems like it's not there. Oh, this one also from Avid, in which I am not going to compare them. If that's what you think we're going to do, no, I won't. But more likely, I'll be looking at this one here today. Now, for this one, it functions like pretty much a level 76 same way. It's just that it has some added feature like headroom, sidechain filtering, mono maker, stereo width, parallel mix, parameter link can be standard or proportional, and you have the TMT inside in this plugin. Really, why I'm really like to use this one is basically the TMT and the headroom mix. I'm going to show you why in a few. I use this on three instances of this particular session. I'm going to go through the three of them. One, yeah. So this first one is on the vocals. See, you have the input left and right, output, attack, release, hold. So this one is pretty much how I use it on this vocals is all buttons in, a very slow attack, extremely fast release, and it practically now compress anything. You know, it just bringing up the dynamics of the vocals. It may sound louder, but it is not louder. You know, so me just bring up the dynamics of the track, just select all button hit in. So normally you would have used it in a 4:1 ratio or probably a 8:1. However you might see it fit, you can do also side chaining also, and I really like that. But I'm not going to do side chaining with this plugin in this video. So this is how it sounds without it enabled on this vocal. Just select a section of, section of the vocal here.
I want them a vex part, AC cool when with the speed out. None of my dark no bun cock.
Mute this.
I want them a vex part, AC cool when with the speed out.
Mute the effects also. And we're going to mute the background vocals so I can more pronounce.
I want them a vex part, AC cool when with the speed out.
As you can hear, some headphone bleeds in the mic, in the vocal, and this is how it sounds with it on it.
I want them a vex part, AC cool when with the speed out. None of my dogs no bun cock. Blue and high grade homo bring a pouch. My time, no hard man work, so them coulda never tell me you know my time. My time, no long when I hope and pray, said the reset.
So it just bring up the weight in the vocal, in which it give it some sort of coloration with the TMT inside, and I pretty much leave everything else as is. So it's just that the color I really need from it and the weight that it add. So as me explain how I really set it: input, output, extremely fast release, very slow attack, all button in. It might be a weird way how I really do it, and you say, what the hell? You know, we just do things and it works. So for this particular track, it works. Now, and this channel I'm called the RBC. It's practically a style from Andrew Sheps called the rear bus compression, in which is just one compressor here, and it's parallel to many tracks, you know, to vocals, synths, strings, bass, keys, winds, brass. You know, I pretty much made it parallel to everything, but because this track was already is a 2-track mixing, so it's pretty much on the vocal only. Now in this regards, it's all button ins also, and somewhat of fast attack, extremely fast release, and I lowered the headroom so it can get little of the compression colored signal back on the vocal. So this is how it sounds with it enabled.
What them a vex bout? AC cool when with the speed out. Vroom. None of my dogs no bun cock. Low and high grade, who more bring a pouch. My time, no hard man work, so them coulda never tell me that no my time.
So in order for me get the vocals as loud as I really need it, I do a lot of parallel processing, because you know that's how I mix. I do a lot of parallel processing. So this pretty much get the vocal as loud as how I really need it with the color I really need. But there are other plugins I can use to get this sort of effect, and it is really phenomenal effect. It is a parallel processing, yes, but it has been done in a slightly different way. And the other track that I use it on is a track that I call Pcom. I normally use this on my background vocals. So this plugin is huge. Yeah, this plugin is huge. So I'm turning on the background vocals. I'm gonna select here to here, make it more prominent. Mute the lead vocal.
When with the speed out. Bun cock. More bring a pot.
So in a case like this, you can, you know, go extreme with it there.
When with the speed out. Bun cock.
But it just depending.
More bring a pot. My time. When with the speed out. Bun cock.
So this compressor have a lot of headroom, and that is what I really like about this headroom. This plugin, it really have a gigantic amount of headroom. Unlike previous level 76, use a stock one, for example, Avid 76. I just use the purple one, Avid purple MC 77. It has a lot less headroom, so I'm kind of slightly set it practically the same way.
When with the speed out. Bun cock. More bring a pot.
So you can see between this and this plugin here, you can see
When with the speed out. Bun cock.
bypass it up one.
When with the speed out.
You see, the stock one has a lot less headroom to gain reduction. So I'm gonna change the gain reduction.
When with the speed out.
Minus 18.
Bun cock.
Oh, this is different type of meter, you know? Different type of meter. So as you can see, they both have different headroom and then behave slightly different, because they did not model the same plugin, the same hardware unit, should I say. So you know, they might go behave differently over time. So hope this gives you some insight. Hope you really, as me show you a couple technique how I really use it, and I hope you can really get something from this also to apply to your mix. So without further ado, it's a boy Eldorado with another demonstration video. Until next time, peace out.